Hey guys, I hope you're well. Welcome. Wow, really? Blitzen just moaned out. Welcome to First Sip Review by Blowzo, the town drunk. Actually, what I'm doing is checking out this anti-shake mode. Let's see. I've used it before and it seemed like the video quality was awful after I uploaded it. So, guys, I'm sorry. Or if you're Canadian, you're a better person than us over here on this side of the. Let's see. I'm sorry, for I've already opened the can. And as a test of First Sip Review by Blowzo, let me. Well, Angry Orchard hard fruit cider. At first I was expecting apple, but it's not apple, it's fruit cider, whatever the hell that is. They suggest that it's strawberry flavored, and it tastes like almost watermelon more than strawberry to me. Blowzo's First Sip Review. It's drinkable, but I'd rather not. Thanks for watching my anti-shake video test. I hope you're well. I'll be back tomorrow. I have plans for quite the video. Be well. 73. Bye now.